Hey traders, welcome back to the TFT channel. Today we have some exciting news. We are now offering DXTrade for our US-based clients. In this video, we will discuss some of the key features of DXTrade. DXTrade is highly customizable with its default layout showing the trading instruments, a trading chart, and the trading account positions and histories. It also has 4 other layouts by default, including a trading dashboard tab that shows all of the account trading data, a trading journal tab that breaks down all of the trades you've taken, a technical analysis tab that shows strictly charts, and an economic calendar tab that shows all important news releases. You can create your own layout, or you can customize your My Trading Account tab or Technical Analysis tab layout. When placing an order, DXTrade offers the ability to calculate your risk based on price, pips, projected loss, or percentage of balance, depending on the lot size you choose. I hope this video has helped you better understand the platform. And if you have any questions, please reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching and happy trading.